guys, I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making pimento cheese grits. Now, I'm not going to go into detail. First off, I know you're going to say, ew, you made that pimento cheese a couple of weeks ago. No, actually, it was only a couple of days ago, but I'm that far ahead on my videos. I'm not going to go in detail about making my grits. I will provide a link up top and in the end screen and in the description box. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and just start my grits because they're going to take a little bit to cook. Because I use stone ground grits, of course. And that's about it for now. I got to go fry the fish. We're having my mustard catfish tonight, which I'll provide a link up top in the description box and at the end. Alright guys, be right back. Okay, the grits are done. Let me tell you about the pimento cheese. Now this is my recipe that I just made. You can use store-bought pimento cheese or your recipe, any kind, but you know, you're supposed to use 2/3 cups, but I'm going to add probably a little bit more. No, yeah, I'm not going to use that much more. Maybe I can do this that good. Ooh, I turned it off because it was done after I added the cream to it. Alright guys, I'm going to finish stirring this up and then I'll bring you back when we plate everything up. See you in a minute. Alright, our pimento cheese grits are done. I can't wait to try these. I'm just fixing my plate. Tony, I don't think he'll clear out the grits tonight, but he usually puts a lot more stuff on his plate when I pick fish and grits. Man, I've got my mustard fried catfish here. We love fish and grits down here in the South. I don't know about anywhere else, but yep. We love it. And then I got some scrambled eggs. And I like salsa on my scrambled eggs. It's mild. Hush, man. Alright guys, our pimento cheese grits are done. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you on in the family. And share this out on your social media. And give me a comment. Leave me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, supper's ready because this is breakfast for supper. Bye guys.